Ayan, grabe ang likot ni Summer Blossom. Hi, Summer Blossom! Ayan. So ma'am, please do introduce once again yourself. And of course, who is Summer Blossom portraying as?
Hi again, I'm Queenie and this is Summer Blossom. She is portraying Sakura, Cardcaptor Sakura.
Ayan, grabe. Feel mo, at lumikot siya kasi nahulog yung, ano niya, yung head accessory. So,